Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to unblock someone on the Facebook app. So if you block someone and maybe you had a change of heart and you want to unblock them, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to do that. And this is on the Facebook app that is available for iOS and Android devices. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. And you want to start off by selecting the profile icon in the top right corner. Go down and select Settings and Privacy, and then underneath Menu, select the Settings button. Scroll down again. Underneath Audience and Visibility, you want to select the Blocking button. And then if you see the user in here you want to unblock, select Unblock. Please know you will have to wait 48 hours to block them again, and they will have the ability potentially to see your timeline or contact you, depending on your other settings. Select Unblock. Give it a moment, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.